Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to send USDT across all platforms. Maybe you want to send USDT to someone, or you want to move your USDT from one exchange to another. It's all the same method. Maybe you want to send USDT from KuCoin to Bybit, or you want to send USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. It's all the same method. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So one thing you have to have in mind is that withdraw means send and deposit means receive. If you are sending from Bybit to Binance, if you want to withdraw from Bybit to Binance, you have to click on withdraw on Bybit and click on deposit on Binance. So that's how it works. I'm going to walk you through in this video on how to send USDT. So follow very carefully. One thing that is very important to note is that if you are sending between these two platforms, you are going to use one particular network. If you use BSC, BNB Smart Chain, let me say for example, you are sending from Bybit to Binance. If you use BSC on Binance for deposit, you're also going to use BSC on Bybit for withdrawing. So if you're using TRX, make sure it is the same network you use for both of them. If not, you're going to lose your token. You're going to lose your money. So what you have to do is to just select the cheaper one as possible. I'm going to use Aptos in this video because it has 0 fees. Also make sure you copy the right address. Don't do any mistake, and key in the amount of USDT you want to transfer. As you can see right here, I have successfully moved my USDT from Bybit to MEXC. So that's how you move or send USDT across all platforms. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.